Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log in drawio. Let's begin. Drawio doesn't require a direct login. As you can see from the bottom, it says no login or registration required because it operates as a free open source tool. If you click the start button, you would notice that you will be forwarded here in this section. All right. Now, thing is, the drawio will ask you where do you want to save and manage your diagrams. Is it going to be in cloud services like Google Drive, OneDrive, GitHub, Dropbox, or GitLab, or even if you want to save it to your local computer, which is going to be the device. All right. Since it doesn't require you to log in, all I have to do is very simple. Click any of the following. For example, I'm going to be choosing Google Drive. But if you don't want that, just click the decide later. And from here, you can start creating your diagram or your file. You can rename this as this one. You can obviously choose the file type. Is it going to be the XML file? Or the .drawio is the native file for this platform. You can also choose to save it as PNG later, or an editable bitmap image, an editable vector image or SVG, or of course the HTML file. For example, we're going to be choosing the default file later. I'm gonna zoom it in for you guys. All right, and then from here you can drag and drop multiple files along the way, creating your first diagram, and you are not limited with the options. See, you can create workflows right here if you want. You can drag and drop anything around here. Matter of fact, I'm going to add a file here. I'm going to import from my device. I'm going to click remember the setting and click on resize. All right, so here, once you're happy with the diagram, since you're not required to log in, click the file section, press the Ctrl+S on your keyboard, so it will save it. And again, you would be asked the file type and where do you want to save it. All right, click the following options. Of course, you can choose My Drive if you want. Click on Save. You just have to authorize the Google Drive. All right. And then you also have an option to export it to different file formats, PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF. If you do that, again, it would ask you where do you want to save it. You also have an option to click on share if you want to share this to your client, or maybe if you're working with multiple freelancers, click on share and it will be saved to your Google Drive wherein you can access and send the link to your team members. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.